Welcome to Mango Royale, easy recipe. Here's what you'll need. Graham cracker crumbs, butter, sweetened condensed milk, heavy whipping cream, manila mangoes and lime juice. First melt and brown the butter until very dark and nutty. Pour it into the graham cracker crumbs and mix well. Press about 2/3 of the crumbs into a pie plate, sprayed with non-stick spray, and chill. Next, score the mango cheeks into cubes and scoop them into a bowl. Squish the mangoes with a gloved hand until they look like half chunks, half puree. If the mango needs a little extra acidity, add some lime juice. Now, combine the condensed milk and whipping cream. Whip on medium to medium-low speed until firm. Spread half of the cream onto the chilled crust. Spread half of the mango on top of the cream. Sprinkle on half of the remaining crumbs or however much you like. Repeat the layers one more time. Once completed, freeze the pie for at least 8 hours. Before serving, thaw for about 1 hour at room temperature or overnight in the fridge. Enjoy your Mango Royale.